the devices you have, for Macs, for PCs, for mobile phones. So we need to go to Google Chrome right up here, then try to search some Steam, and then we can go to store.steampower.com, and here we see the green button, install Steam. Only one thing we need to do. So go to this page and now click on the blue button, install Steam for Mac OS or for Windows. The site will automatically decide what system do you have. So as you can see, the site is really small, so I'm double click on the download. Here on Macs you just need to put it from here to there, and that's all. Steam is installed. The Windows version would be also really easy to do, so let's try to find it in our application. Okay, Steam is right up here. Let's try to launch it. Click open. Now it's updating and it's downloading itself. So as you can see, the download is over, so now we can try to open Steam. Let's wait for a little bit. And now as you can see, it works. And in the next part I will show you how to create your own Steam account.